She doesn't have a microphone on, so
Do I have to talk like this?
so if you guys can't hear her that much, then sorry. What do we mean?
I don't know. Are we supposed to talk about something?
Oh, we could show what I got for Christmas.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. I guess we could figure this out. We could do a video of figuring this out.
Beat that. The bonkers battle of wacky. Wait, you turned it.
Oh.
Of wacky challenges.
She doesn't have a microphone on, so
Do I have to talk like this?
so if you guys can't hear her that much, then sorry. Okay, so I got this game. It's Beat That, and it's like a challenge game kind of thing. This went with the light. All my fishing things are out there. I got a fishing pole and a fishing bat.
Okay, she got a coconut cut plug.
I did.
It goes on the end of the fishing pole.
Oh, you can fish with these gummy bears. Yeah, it's actually really good. You can actually you take fishing. You take these gummy
Fish
bears.
eats the fishing pole?
Yeah, it's actually really good. It helps.
We'll have to try that one time because I've never
Yeah.
heard that before.
So I got gummy bears. And I got face masks.
Ooh.
I got a charcoal face mask here, and then I got a pomegranate face mask, an avocado face mask,
Avocado!
mask,
Avocado!
mask,
Avocado!
mask,
Avocado!
a honey face mask, a cucumber,
I wonder if you
and
could put cucumbers on your eyes with a cucumber mask.
I think that would work.
Because it smooths and softens. That one, I thought it said cheese. It says cleanses and moisturizes. I thought it said cheese.
I got a tea tree, which this one sounds best. I feel like this one just,
Why?
it just, tea tree smells so good. And
Does it?
yeah, it smells like tea.
I thought it smelled like a tree.
Oh my gosh. I got a Carhartt hat. Put it on.
Gangsta!
Oh, you can also fish with Sour Patch Kids.
No, okay, no fish is gonna eat a Sour Patch.
I'm not even kidding.
You're crazy.
It works with
Crazy,
large.
crazy.
It works with large bass fish. Yeah.
Largemouth?
Yeah, it's the same thing. Large bass. Large bass.
But they don't eat 12 pieces or else they'd have 110 calories.
I got a Sportsman's Warehouse card. I got an Xbox Game Pass thing and an Amazon gift card. There's $50 in here, I'm pretty sure. $50. It's from my grandpa.
Papa Taylor.
Grandpa Taylor. I've got these. These are so good because they melt in your mouth.
Whoa. You really like those things, don't you? Can we open them?
Yeah, you want to try them? They're little thingies. I'm gonna actually eat it first because I have a microphone on that I make up. Hold that, please. I got this from my sister. It's a little necklace. It says "Just Breathe." And I have it because I have anxiety attacks. And so my sister said if I have an anxiety attack, I just hold this and stuff. She made it. I got lip gloss. You're weird. Got a Starbucks gift card. Yeah. I got fluffy socks because I love fluffy socks. We're gonna open it.
Well, duh, that's what they're for.
More fluffy socks. These ones are so cute.
Which one should we try on? This one? or the glitter?
That one. I'm gonna try on this one. Duh.
Oh, is that what you're supposed to do?
Yeah, so they can
I'm
see.
so old.
You are.
Ooh, mine tastes like.
Why would you eat it?
I didn't. It just has like a.
Oh, it's matte. It's matte lip gloss.
I didn't know that. I was looking for some shimmer.
Next, my Grandma Taylor? Grandma Jean?
Nope, Grandma Taylor.
Grandma Taylor
Wrong.
got this for me.
Grandma Pam.
It's a
Okay,
little
I'm still looking for your box
necklace.
for your necklace.
Put it in here. Here's the little
It's
box.
a fancy necklace.
It is. I don't know
That's
what I
like-
would wear it with.
You're
but-
gonna wear that out to like the Grammys or something.
Grammys.
Yeah.
And then I got this one from my sister. My sister got me 2 necklaces. It's an angel wings. And my grandpa Taylor got me
You already showed them.
a card.
Meow Christmas. Meowie. Is that how it says? Is that how you say it?
Maui.
Meow.
Maui.
Meowie.
Meowie. Sounds so stupid right now. But yeah,
Is that everything?
that's everything. Oh, no, I got a camera. See? Little camera that I'm filming on right now. And,
It's a DJI something another. It's
oh,
like this
I dropped my necklace. Yeah, it's really tiny, but it's like the best camera out there for filming. And then I got a computer or a laptop from my Grandma Taylor. And then I got, where's
You got a
my-
fishing vest. I don't know where that's at.
And then I got a phone. Oh, don't mind my background. Stop. Yeah, I got,
Do you like the
phone.
case? Because I took the case out.
yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I'm put a pot stock in.
No, what?
I got a light, which is Shahina's.
It's super bright. Also, I feel like I'm getting a tan. Like I need those little goggles. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like the
Sure.
little tanning goggles.
Yeah. So that is all I got for Christmas. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you guys hit that notification bell, then you guys will get notified every time we post a new video. Me and my dad love to go hunting and fishing. I haven't done hunting yet. So yeah, if you guys want to see fishing videos, then make sure you guys go check those out. And we also have a drone that you guys should go see that we post videos on there too. So yeah. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Stop.